Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I made this creamy mashed potato. These are so yummy guys. The flavor is just so rich and tasty. And if you guys are ready, let's get started. So today we are going to make mashed potatoes, and I'm going to go ahead and peel these. So now that my potatoes are peeled, we are going to go ahead and cut them in cubes. So these potatoes don't have to be perfect, guys. I left some skin because we need just a little bit of fiber in there. So you want to cut them about this size. Now that I'm done, we are going to go ahead and rinse this off and then boil them until they're fork tender, and then we'll make some mashed potatoes. So while our potatoes are boiling, we are going to go ahead and add in 1 teaspoon of fresh garlic. This is diced garlic, and I'm going to add in some salt. That is almost 1 teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to let it boil. So our potatoes are tender. So we are going to go ahead and blend our potatoes. I'm going to go ahead and add in some sauce. That is a 1/4 cup of sauce, half a stick of butter, and we're going to add in some milk. So for the milk, we're going to gradually just add it in. I think that's it for my milk. About a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Guys, and that's it. My goodness, guys, it tastes so good. We are done. I hope you guys like this video. This is an easy mashed potato video, and I'm gonna eat this with my steak. And this is how it looks like, guys. Looks so yummy. I'm gonna add some butter. And just for color, we're gonna add in some chives. These are dried chives.